How to create a fake disconnect window in Roblox Studio. Add Screen GUI to Starter GUI and name it Black Screen GUI. Set Ignore GUI Inset to True and set Reset on Spawn to False. Add a frame and make the screen completely black. Once finished, hide the screen first. Add a Screen GUI to Starter GUI and name it Fake Disconnect GUI. Set Ignore GUI Inset to True and set Reset on Spawn to False. Add a frame to create a disconnection window. Add text and name it Title. Add text and name it Message. Add a text button and name it Button. Go to Lighting. Add a blur effect. Name it Disconnect Blur. You'll get a fake disconnection window that looks close to the real thing. Once finished, hide the screen first. Go to Replicated Storage. Add a remote event and name it Fake Disconnect. Create a part. A fake disconnection window will appear when players access this part. Set the transparency of the part. Select Can Collide as False. Select Anchored as True. Add the script to the part. Writing the script. This script detects when a player touches a specific part and triggers a fake disconnect screen for that player only, one time. Getting services, remote event, and trigger part. This table remembers which players have already triggered the prank, prevents the fake disconnect from happening repeatedly to the same player. This function runs whenever anything touches the trigger part. Assumes the touched part belongs to a character model, stops the script if it doesn't. Only characters with a humanoid count as real players. Converts the character model into a player object. If the player already triggered the prank, the function exits. Otherwise, the player is marked as already triggered. Sends a message only to that player's client. The client script receives this and shows the fake disconnect UI. Other players are completely unaffected. Links the trigger part to the onTouched function. Removes the player from the tracking table when they leave the game. Prevents memory leaks and keeps the script clean. Add local scripts to starter player scripts. Writing the script. This client script shows a fake disconnect screen, locks the player, then reveals a prank message before returning the player to the game. Getting services, player, and remote event. Getting GUI elements. Preparing the blur effect. Store the player's original movement values. Setting up the character safely. Saves default movement values so nothing breaks. Prank state variables. Uses states to control what screen is currently active. Disabling GUI by default. Locking the player in place. This fully freezes the player during the prank. Unlocking the player. Resetting everything. Disables blur, hides all GUI, unlocks the player, resets prank state variables. Showing the fake disconnect screen. Locks the player, enables blur, displays fake Roblox error text, shows the Leave button. Showing the black screen transition. Revealing the prank. changes text to "just kidding," disables blur, shows "return to game" button, keeps the player locked until they click. Button click logic. First click brings up the black screen and reveals the prank. Second click resets everything and returns to the game. Receiving the server signal. Server decides when to prank. Client decides how it looks. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.